Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is the area of the rectangle is 640 meters square. Taking its length in terms of x, find in terms of x the width of the rectangle, and if the perimeter is 104 meter, find the dimensions. That means what is given first, we'll write that area of the rectangle is 640 meters square. And what is the length we have to take? Length we have to take as x. Now in terms of x we have to find the width. Fine. So we know area is equal to length into width. Fine. So area is 640, length is x into width. Fine. So width will be 640 divided by x. X comes here and becomes divide. So width is 640 by x. Now the perimeter is given. What is the perimeter? 104 meter. And what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. So instead of perimeter we will write 104 is equal to 2. Length की जगह पे we will write x and breadth, that is the width also, is 640 upon x. Right? So this is 2 into this whole term. So 2 can go that side and become divide, is equal to x plus 640 upon x. This will become 52. So now 52 is equal to x plus 640 upon x. Now I have to remove x from the denominator. What I can do? I can multiply both sides by x. Okay, then this denominator wala x will get eliminated. So this will become 52 into x, and this side will also be multiplied by x plus 640 upon x. So now we will solve it and see. This is 52x is equal to x into x, x square, plus 640 by x into x. This x and x gets cancelled. So now this is 52x is equal to x square plus 640. This has taken the form of a quadratic equation because x has a power of 2. So now what we will do, we'll get all the terms on one side. So this will become x square plus 640 minus 52x is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. So we will arrange these terms. So x square will be the first term. Then the second term will be the x wala term. And the last one will be the constant term. So this has taken this form. Now we will factorize it. How to factorize such quadratic equation? That middle term, that is x wala term, has to be written in such a way, you have to split it in such a way that when you multiply you should get 640. ठीक है? That means कोई ऐसा दो नंबर चाहिए जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 640 आए और प्लस और माइनस करें या प्लस करें या माइनस करें तो माइनस 52 आए. I'll show you. 640 को start factorizing to 320. Right? अभी क्या है? 320, इसको हम 320 into 2 है. This can also be written as 20 into 32. Now we know 20 plus 32 becomes 52. Right? But we want a minus sign. That means minus will become plus, and 20 plus 32 is 52 and with a minus sign. And 20 को 32 से multiply करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 640 and minus plus. Fine. तो 640 तो आ गया. And then minus 20 and minus 32 minus plus, that is 52, and 32 is a bigger number. So उसके आगे वाला sign we put. So with these two numbers, that is minus 20 and minus 32, when I multiply I get 640, and minus 20 and minus 32, when I do an operation of plus minus on them, I get minus 52. That means x square will be written as x square and minus 52 is written as minus 20x and minus 32x plus 640. Fine. This is how we factorize it. We break the middle term in such a way that when you multiply them, you should get 640 with a plus sign, and when you do an operation on them of plus or minus, you should get minus 52. Fine. Now these two terms together and these two terms together, in दोनों में x will become common. So x is left in the first one, minus 20 is left in the second. Here what I can take common? I can take common as minus 32. What is left in the first term? X is left in the first term. And what is left in the second term? 640. We saw here 32 into 20 is 640. 32 into 20 will give me 640. And I want plus. So यहाँ पर भी minus आएगा, तभी minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Fine. Now x minus 20 is common. And x here left minus and 32 is equal to 0. Now two terms multiplied together gives 0. That means either this is 0 or this is 0. If x minus 20 is 0, then x is 20. And if x minus 32 is 0, then x is 32. Now which length we will take? We will take the longer one, because length is generally taken the longer one. अगर हम x is equal to 20 लेंगे तो width, if x is 20, then width will be how much? Width is, what is the width we got? 640 upon 20, that is 32. ठीक है? So here if I am taking x as 20, I am getting width as 32. So length is generally taken as the bigger one. And if x is 32, then width is 640 upon 32, क्योंकि this was the width which we found in the earlier over here 640 upon x. So same thing I am using here. So this will become your 20. So now therefore x is 32. That is length is 32. हम वो वाला length लेंगे जिसमें the length is more and the width is less. If I am taking x as 20, I am getting width as 32. So I will not take that. Generally length is the one which is the longer side generally. So width will become 20 centimeter and this also centimeter. Fine. This is how we will solve this.